Good afternoon, students. Today also discuss same chapter named ledger posting, but sum number is different. Sum is number 60, sum number 60, and page number 8.25. Page 8.25. Last two classes we have discussed how to ledger posting. The first part is journalizing and second part is ledger posting. First, sum number 1 is given, the mixed sum. First part is opening entries and second part is running or current year entries. This is brought forward last year closing balance and this year current balance. All the assets account debit, cash account debit, stock account debit, debtors account debit. Debtors mean only one debtor, name is Ram. So Ram account debit, machinery account debit 60,000. All the assets account debit and all the liabilities account credit. If the assets and liabilities are not equal, in that case asset minus liability is called a capital. Here all assets debit and creditors Rajesh, creditors account, creditor only one creditor, name is Rajesh account credit 30,000. Total asset 50 plus 50 1 lakh, 1 lakh 30 plus 60 1 lakh 90,000. But asset is given, liability is given 30,000. Only creditors given 30,000. So 1 lakh 90 minus 30, balance amount is called capital. I have written two capital balance in figure. This is the first entry and this entry is called a opening entry. Narration being the opening entry, word for word. Next one, current year transaction. First transaction on April 4. Cash sale, cash account debit to sales account 7,000 being goods sold for cash. Next, goods returned by Ram. Goods returned by Ram. It is a sales return or return inward. Return inward account debit to Ram account 1,000 being goods returned by Ram. Next one, purchase goods from Rajesh. Goods purchased from Rajesh, amount list price 10,000 but take discount given 10%. Goods purchased from Rajesh, listed price 10,000 but paid 9,000. So it is called the take discount. Take discount 10,000 list price, 10,000 minus 10%, 1,000. 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. So Rajesh account, purchase account debit to Rajesh account 9,000. Next one, goods purchased from Rakesh and take discount 10%, cash discount 5% and 40% paid immediately. 40% paid immediately. So how to calculate this? This is the working note. How to calculate this amount? First, list price 50,000. Take discount 10% of this means 1,500. This minus this, it is a net price due. Next, cash discount. Cash discount 5% of this amount 13,500. 5% of 13,500. Cash discount 675. After deducting, it comes 12,825. Next, less 40% paid immediate. 40% of 12,825 amount come 55,130. 40% of this. The net amount due to Rajesh 6,795. So first purchase account debit. This is net purchase. Not calculate this amount. 13,500 purchase account debit 2 discount receipt account 675 cash discount, 2 payment 2 cash 5130 2 cash and amount due 7695. Next one, 20th April paid to Rajesh in full settlement of his account. Rajesh paid to Rajesh. This is Rakesh. This is Rajesh. Rajesh my creditors. Rajesh my creditors. First 30,000 opening balance. Next 9,000 purchase from Rajesh. তাহলে Rajesh 30,000 opening balance, 9,000 purchase this year. Total amount due 39,000, but amount paid 38,600. So 4,000 our discount received from him. So Rajesh account debit, 2 discount received, 2 discount received 400, discount received 400 and cash account 38,600. This is the 20th. Next 25th. 25th insurance premium paid to the proprietors. Insurance premium paid of the proprietors. Proprietors insurance, it is a drawing and this is not a business expense. So drawing account debit to cash account 500 and last entry commission received rupees 2,000. Commission received, commission nominal account, receipt means it is income. So commission account credit, income, gains credit, expense losses debit in nominal account. So cash account debit, cash receipt, cash account debit to commission account 2,000. This is the journal entry. First part complete. Second part, how to post the journal entry to how to post it from journal to ledger book. Next step, counting the number of different accounts. How many different types of account here? First count it. I am counting number 1 cash account, number 2 stock account, number 3 debtors RAM account 3, 4 creditors Rajesh 5, capital 6, sales 7 already cash counted, sales return, next RAM already counted, next purchase, next Rajesh already taken, next Rakesh discount and cash already counted, purchase already counted, next হচ্ছে discount received already counted, cash already counted, drawing and commission. The total number of different accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 ledger draw. You have to draw 13 ledger account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 ledger you have to draw it. Thank you.